Danielle. I'm going to be your CNA today. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, good. I'm here to do turn and positioning onto your left side. Is that okay with you? Okay, perfect. Can I just get your name and date of birth?
Alexis says 7/17/06.
Perfect. Let me just double verify on your band. Okay, great. Thank you. All right, I'm just going to grab my supplies and then I'll be right back. I'm going to also wash my hands and just get everything ready. Is that okay? Okay, perfect. I'll be right back. Wash my hands. Using friction.
I think I did. I'll do it again.
You gotta submit it.
I did submit it. Oh, it did. Submit it. I don't know why it didn't.
Drain. Pat dry my hands. Let's check up. Supplies ready. 2, 3 pillows.
This is the turning and positioning, guys, one of Prometric Cna skill. The young ladies, we are doing the mock test today. She's doing the turning and position. She washed her hand to maintain infection control.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. I'm going to correction, close your privacy curtain. So I was forgetting, here we go. Close your privacy curtain. All right. Everything's good? You have any fun plans for today? Any bingo tonight? No? No bingo tonight? Okay, great. All right. I'm gonna turn you onto your left side. So I'm just gonna raise your bed. How are you feeling? Ready?
She's raising her bed for good body mechanics. That's good. They want to see that. Guys, if you enjoy content like these, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and our TikTok page for more content.
I'm gonna keep
We're
your privacy
always
blanket
doing
on,
new
but I'm going
skills.
across your right over your left. I'm gonna move your table just a little bit so we don't get hurt. Alright. I'm gonna move you closer to me in 3 segments. Correction. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now we're going to correct that. There we go. Okay, there, perfect. On count of 3, we're gonna roll over. Is that okay? Ready? I'm gonna support you with your back and your hip. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. All right. Can I have someone come support her, please?
Jonathan, you can hold her patient. Hold her because I'm holding the video thing.
Thank you. All right. I'm going to position one pillow, making sure that the pillows stay away from my uniform at all time. I'm gonna just lift up the blanket a little bit. I'm going to tuck under her here to support her back and fold in half.
The turning and positioning
How do you
skills
feel?
uses 3
Good?
pillows, right, Chase? 3 pillows to support their back and legs and arm.
I'm gonna just tuck that a little bit more just to make sure it stays. Perfect. I'm going to now place one under your arm. All right, I'm gonna cover you back up here. Place this one under your arm. Lift your arm for me. Thank you. Place this one here. Now we're gonna place one in between your legs. Make sure I'm ready. We're gonna lift your leg. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right. I'm gonna just try to lift your leg a little more for me. Thank you so much. I'm gonna make sure that you're covered and your privacy is taken care of. How are you feeling after that?
Good.
Good. All right. Is there anything else you may need from me? Okay. I'm going to hand you your call bell. Here, I'm going to hand you your call bell on this hand, sorry about that. I'm going to lower your bed for safety. I'm going to now clean up the rest of my supplies, take off my gloves, wash my hands, and you let me know if you need anything else, okay? I'm just gonna wash my hands, I'm gonna come right back to check back on you. I'm going to throw out this chuck, and I'm going to